Hello, so today we're going to continue on with our efforts in making quizzes and having them self-graded on Google Docs, and we're going to find out how to install Flubaroo once we have had our students take the quiz. And so I made a Mother's Day quiz because today's Mother's Day, and I went into the quiz and I took it myself. I used different aliases, as you can see here. And so let's pretend that this is the quiz that you gave your students and you have many students who have answered your questions. I'd like to point out here that if you look at form, this tab over here with the little number 6, that means that you have had 6 respondents or 6 replies to your quiz. And here is where we're going to install the Flubaroo script. So go over to Tools and click on Script Gallery and type in Flubaroo, F-L-U-B-A-R-O-O, and search for that. There it is. Came up quickly enough. Click Install. This will take a couple of seconds. It's a mini program. They call it a script, but it's a mini program that runs on top of your Google Docs that will correct your responses. And so you get this authorization required here. You can read this. It sort of scares you a little bit, saying potentially harmful operations, run only if you trust the author. No worries. Just click authorize. You're okay. You're good to go. Click close, and now you see it is installed. It tells you here you've got the green line. It's installed. Great. Exit this dialog. Here we go. And now we see that we see it up as a tab here. So Flubaroo is installed. So now what we want to do is we want to correct our quiz. So click on Flubaroo and click on Grade Assignment. And it's going to run a couple of things first, a couple of steps. First one, it's going to give you the opportunity to change the points. So every entry on your form will be potentially a something that either can be worth points or not. So you have to identify, say for example, last name, is that worth points? No, it's something that identifies the student. You see the other option here is just skip grading, but click identify student. So you see Flubaroo gets that, it reads that for you. So first question, is Mother's Day observed around the world? We'll keep that at 1 point. Who invented Mother's Day? Keep that at 1 point. And what was the occasion that commemorates? Well, that's a tricky one. I could put it at 2 points higher, whatever, but we'll keep it at 1 point. Click continue, and now it's looking for the answer key. So say here I took the test myself and I called myself answer key, but you could have called yourself teacher or whatever. Or if you didn't take the test and you know for sure one of the answers of one of your students is absolutely perfect, then that's who you would select. But I suggest you take the test yourself and then select your answer key for the standard that Flubaroo will use to grade the assignments. And here it is. It does it very, very quickly. Before I show you the spreadsheet, I just want to point out to you here that it tells you that the low scoring questions are highlighted in orange, and anybody who scores underneath 70, that score will appear in a red font. And so let's check out the grades. So Susie Q, well, she doesn't know too much about Mother's Day, so she has a problem, or her mother does. Joe Blow, not doing so well at 33%. Now, John Doe, he did well. So here you see the total score, and you also see per question. Now, if one of these questions had been dismally answered, you would have had this cell here would have been orange, because it would have indicated that it had less than 60% response rate average from all the students. So that either indicates that maybe you need to think about how you ask that question, ask it a different way the next time you give the quiz, or maybe that's an area where you need to address further instruction because the students are just not getting that 1 point. So that's really helpful. If you look up over here, it'll give you the average points. number of low scoring questions, points possible. So lots of good information for you. And that's on a separate sheet. Here are the student submissions, as you see here. Click on the other worksheet, and there you have the grades. And that's Flubaroo. It's really fabulous. You can as well come into Flubaroo. Let's say that you've had other students who've taken the test afterwards. You can regrade the assignment. So just go through the whole process again, and it will regrade if there's new data. You can also email out the grades, and you can have the grades emailed to you and view the report. So play around with that. It really is absolutely fabulous, and it should make your life a whole lot simpler. And I hope that helps.